Hello everyone, it's Tor and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be reviewing a products from YesStyle. But I would like to say thank you YesStyle for sponsoring this video, and I would like to congratulate you for reaching 100,000 influencers. And I wish for more success of your company. For those of you who doesn't know anything yet about YesStyle, you can visit their website at www.yestyle.com, or you can check on the description box below. I will attach the link of their website, like that it will bring you directly to their website. And also, they are still accepting application for influencer program to receive free products from them. I also created a video tutorial on how to become a YesStyle influencer. If you wish to buy some items from them, you can use my code FLOR0193. Like that, you will get more discounts. Even you buy more, you can save more. Everything you want to know about YesStyle, you can check it in the description box below. Without furthermore, let's get started.
First outfit that I am wearing is the ruffle print strappy camisole crop top. This black crop top is very comfy to wear. I like how it feels on the body. The fabric is very soft and stretchy. It's very perfect to pair on your short pants and also on your favorite skinny jeans. It's very worth it to buy. Perfect for simple date or perfect for summer. I rate this one at 10 out of 10. The second outfit that I am wearing is the strawberry print crop top. I really like this top, very lightweight. The fabric is soft. I also love the style in front. You can adjust on the breast part if you want to show a little cleavage. What I love the most on this top, it's very elegant looking when you take photos or videos. You can also pair it with short pants. I also love the idea of the zipper lock on the left side. It helps you wear the top easily. I also like to pair it with my skinny jeans. I feel very sexy on it. It gives you confidence. I rate this one at 10 out of 10. On the third outfit I'm wearing is this navy blue cable knit cardigan. I really love the color and the design, very comfortable. I love how it fits on the arm, even though it's only one size, but it fits perfectly on me. The material is very soft, and I love pairing it with my jeans and with black crop top. It's perfect for the spring weather. So far, this one is my favorite one. I'm enjoying this one, so I rate this at 10 out of 10. The fourth outfit that I am wearing is the loose fit knit cardigan. I love the light color of this one. The fabric is so soft, it's very lightweight and comfy to wear. The pocket side is my favorite. It only have one size, so in my case it's a little bigger, so I have to let it open because if I close it, it will look big on me. Perfect for medium size of people, but all in all, I love it. I'll rate this one at 8 out of 10. Fifth outfit that I'm wearing is the cherry embroidered crop cardigan. What I love on this cardigan is very lightweight and soft fabric. I also love the cherry print design. It has buttons in front. I also love the baby blue color. You can pair it with a crop top and jeans. I love the vibes on this cardigan. It gives you confidence. It feels you sexy and very comfy to wear. Perfect for simple dates and also for night out. all in all, I love it, so I'll rate this one 10 out of 10. Our last outfit that I am wearing is the Ruched tie detailed spaghetti strap bodycon mini dress. I love the design, but I'm not so comfortable on it because it's very sexy and I have a very skinny body. I feel like I look like a stick. I love that tie on the bottom part because you can adjust a little higher or a little down on the knee level. The fabric is very soft. I love to pair it with my navy blue cardigan. I will rate this one at 9 out of 10. So that's it, guys. You can comment down below which outfit is your bet and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified on my future uploads. See you on my next vlog. Bye!